Looks like a win, I hope. Yeah, it's been nice. Yeah, it was a really good trade. Hello, I'm Camila. Before the start of the video, I want to inform you that I have an awesome Telegram channel where I conduct trading sessions, live streams and answer to your questions. If you want to be a member of my community, then go to my Telegram channel and write me private messages I want to join the VIP. It's absolutely free. See you! Watch this video till the end and I will tell you about my super useful trading guide which you can get absolutely free today. Friends, today I'll tell you about one of my favorite pocket option strategies. We will use two really simple indicators that, if used skillfully, will bring us a good profit. So we go to the trading platform, I use pocket option and I will use the original link to the platform itself in the description. So we begin to set the settings necessary for this strategy. Set the chart type to standard, candles. Time frame 5 minutes. Execution time also 5 minutes. In the Indicators tab, select Moving Average 3 times and Stochastic once. For Moving Average number 1, change period to 21 and type to EMA. Also change color to green. For MA number 2, change period to 89, type also EMA and set color to yellow. For MA number 3, change period to 144, type to EMA and color to red. Leave default stochastic settings. According to today's strategy, first of all, we need to determine the trend. We enter the trade either following the trend when the price touches the yellow MA or when the red MA touches, if there is no clear trend. Also, stochastic should be in the overbought zone for down trade or in the oversold zone for up trade. We are all set and let's move on to practice. Friends, before moving on to the practical development of my new trading strategy, I promised to tell you about my awesome trading guide. My guide is a collection of my rules for organizing money management, which will help you earn big money on trading without loss. Today, you can get my guide for free. What you need to do? Follow the link in the description of this video to my Telegram channel, subscribe to it and write me in private messages I want a guide. Do it right now and then you will thank me. And we move on to practice. I'm a little bit late, but the candle almost touched the red moving average. So I'm opening up trade. Not confident, but looks like a win. Yeah, it's been nice! $230 is good. Friends, I'll be glad for any of your activity. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, to my Telegram channel, put likes and write comments. I do it for you. Okay, candle almost touches yellow moving average. I'm opening trade a little bit late again. It should be fine. Almost win, just a few seconds left and yeah, nice, we got $230. Yeah, it was a really good trade. Okay, so we have a bullish trend and candle crossing red moving average. So I opened up trade. Looks like a win, I hope. And yeah, nice! Another $230, super! Today we explored a highly effective strategy based on the combination of moving average and stochastic oscillator. By implementing the strategy, we were able to earn nearly $700. For today I have everything. Subscribe to my channel, put like and write comments. See you in my next video. Bye! Thank you.